Good Monday morning, Southwest Arkansas. Welcome back, April the 15th, here on a Monday morning. Let's go ahead and get ready to take a look at this week's weather or today's weather. And let's real quickly, before we take a look at today's highs, start off with taking a look at current satellite and current conditions as of 8:15 or 8:53 this morning. As you can see, cloudy skies with a few peaks of sun looking likely across the area here. As we come to sunrise, you could see it move across the area here, and really going to continue to see this because if you look off in Texas and Oklahoma, cloudy skies look likely throughout the day today. Taking a look at current radar, not showing much right now. High or temperatures are currently in the lower to mid to upper 60s. Some of these areas have been updated an hour ago. Some of these here just around 8:30. So as you can see, temperatures quickly warming up into the upper 60s, and they're going to continue to be on a rise into the upper 70s and potentially lower 80s across far southwestern Arkansas. 83 down there in Texarkana, potentially there as well. 81 in Magnolia and 82 in El Dorado. Then as you go a little further north, you get up into the upper 70s there across the area, and then into the mid 70s up there across far northern portions of the coverage area. Another thing to mention, and we will show you this here in just a minute, we do have some rain chances later this afternoon. And we'll show you that here in just a minute. But overnight lows tonight, not really going to be super cool. Going to be in the 60s overnight tonight for your overnight lows, as you can see there. Now, taking a look at the rain chances, you can see 30% looks likely across portions of the area, as we do have some showers that may move through later today. It's a small chance, not really a big chance, not expecting anything major with that. Probably some rain showers with those. As you go a little further south into the east, those rain chances decrease to 20, then to 10% there as well. But far western Arkansas looks to have the best chance for that. And real quickly here, let's pull this back up and we will show you what potential future casts could possibly look like later this afternoon with those rain chances. So starting this off at 8 a.m. here, and as we progress throughout the day today, you can see maybe some rain chances, some light rain chances possibly, really more likely overnight tonight and into the early morning hours tomorrow morning potentially there, but really overnight tonight. Some small rain chances possible throughout the early or throughout the late afternoon and early evening hours, but not expecting a whole lot. But then as we progress into tomorrow or your Tuesday, we do have a severe weather outlook. As you can see, this has kind of been changed some, and they kind of moved the risk a little further to the north, or the higher risk, the slight risk, which is a 2 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Your yellow color there, or your low end severe weather threat, is kind of been moved to the north some, but it still is in effect for portions of DeQueen, Mena, Hot Springs, Mount Ida, Murfreesboro, Glenwood, Nashville, Derricks, Hope, Arkadelphia, Ashdown, Malvern, Sheridan. You're still in that slight risk for the chance of severe weather. Then pretty much the rest of the area, Texarkana, El Dorado, Camden, Magnolia, Fordyce, you're in that marginal risk, or that green colored area, which is a 1 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. That is your marginal or very low end severe weather threat. It still means you have a chance at severe weather. Don't get me wrong. When you see the low end severe weather threat, remember, you do still have the chance for a few severe storms. It's not near as really the risk. The Storm Prediction Center outlook risk is kind of based on the coverage of severe storms, on how many you could see or what you could see with them. Really, that's what goes into the risk. So not everybody's going to see severe storms when you have those smaller risks, but it still means that there's a chance that somebody could see a severe storm. And the tornado threat with this is on the lower end. It's not super high, but it's also not zero. The wind threat's low, and the damaging or the large hail threat is medium with that as well. The tornado threat's a little higher the further north you go, I think, currently, but we'll see what happens with that as we get closer. We'll continue to keep you updated with more information, but It's moved, like we said a few days ago. It looked like the risk was going to be a little higher to our north, and that's still looking likely. But we still have that severe weather risk in place for our area tomorrow, mainly tomorrow afternoon and really tomorrow evening. We'll be here though. We'll be ready to cover in case anything is issued or anything of that nature. We will be here and we will be ready to track any storms if needed. Now, taking a look at the rest of this week's weather, as you can see, some afternoon rain chances, 30% chance with a south wind of 5 to 10 miles per hour. Mostly cloudy skies with a few peaks of sun here and there throughout the day today. Highs are going to be right there around 78 degrees. Overnight lows are going to be in the lower 60s, right there around 63 degrees. Then on Tuesday, we do have that slight risk for severe storms with a south 10 to 20 mile per hour wind gusts with those 70% chance of thunderstorms throughout the day there. Highs right there around 79. Could see lower 80s across far southern Arkansas. And then as we head into the middle part of this week, as you can see, above average temperatures could be possible with highs on Wednesday with mostly cloudy skies and a southwest wind of 5 to 10 miles per hour. We'll have highs near the mid 80s and a few upper 80s may be possible across far southwestern Arkansas. Not going to roll that out there on Wednesday and Thursday with mostly cloudy skies there on Wednesday. We get a break from the rain, but some more rain chances could be possible there on Thursday, late Thursday. There, isolated chance of some thunderstorms. 30% chance currently with highs in the mid 80s, overnight lows in the lower 60s, and partly sunny skies will be possible with a small chance of some isolated thunderstorms and rain showers. That continues into Friday with highs with highs right there around 80 degrees and overnight lows right there around 58 with 30% chance of an isolated thunderstorm and rain shower. Then as we head into Saturday, you do have a 50% chance of some thunderstorms and mostly cloudy skies with highs right there around 70 degrees, overnight lows right there around 50 degrees to end out the current 6-day period. Remember, we're going to continue to watch it and keep you updated, but it looks like a wet week could be on hand once again, but we'll see what happens with it as we continue to get closer, and we will keep you updated. As always, big thanks to Palmer's Roofing, J&S Auto Supply, Terry's Place, and Fort Smith Therapy for all they do to help us get this information to you guys. Couldn't do it without them. Be on the lookout for more updates on the Facebook page throughout the day today. We will have more information over there. As always, we do put posts out more often over there. We do these morning video vlogs over here on YouTube and post on Facebook. And we will have the updated 6-day forecast this evening over on our Facebook page. And once again, have a good rest of your Monday. Don't forget, watch out for some light rain chances this evening and overnight into your day on Tuesday. We do have that chance of severe weather Tuesday. We will keep you updated, and we will have more information on that as we get closer. As always, have a good rest of your Monday. Thank you, as always, for trusting us right here at your source for all things Southwest Arkansas weather.